Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and in this video here I'm going to give you part 2 of my testimony. Now remember, you don't have to watch the series. You can always move on from this video and watch the next video, which is the art video. Okay, but if you want to listen, just stay tuned. All right, so this is part 2 of my testimony, and it's called How I First Walk with an Angel. As I mentioned in the first video, I grew up with my grandmother. As you know, guys, when you're a baby, you don't recognize who you are until you reach a certain age. You don't know that you exist. You don't know that you're creeping. You don't know most of the times. Half of the time when you're walking, you just started to walk, you don't know that you're walking. During that period of time, you don't understand yourself, you're not aware of yourself. All right, don't know if there's any testimony out there with any adult person remembering all these things, but for me, I was not aware of all these things. Okay, no, I remember when I came to the awareness of myself. Now, as I said, you can choose to believe or choose to believe not. It's all up to you. It's just my testimony. All right, my experience. So, I remember when I was aware of myself. No, it happened like this. I remember one time I was sleeping. Nobody was in the room. I was sleeping and I was having a realistic dream. It was so realistic, that I remembered so clear and so plain. I don't remember what age was that, but it was very young. Probably 1 plus 2 plus, I'm not sure. But I remember when I was aware of myself. Alright, so I was dreaming. Somebody was walking with me, and the person was there going around and telling me what is what and who is who. I remember when the person pointed on my aunt and told me that this is my aunt, and I think he told me the name of my aunt. So the angel was going around, or the person was going around and telling me who is who and what is what. And I also remember I was with the person, but I was at my window looking in on my room, but I was sleeping. I hope that makes sense. So I was seeing in my room, seeing my family. As I said, I stayed with my grandmother for school and stuff. So I was sleeping in my room, but yet I was looking in my room, looking at the persons who, the angel or the person who was telling me who is who and who is who. So yes, I remember that's when I woke up. Now I realized that I was aware of myself, but it was done in a way that I always knew this. Like the way it was done, I don't know how to explain it, but the way it was done is like I always knew my family. When I woke up, it's like I was aware from long time that my family was my family. But it was not so, because as I mentioned before, when you are at a certain age, you don't recognize yourself. You're not aware of danger. You're not aware of all these things. All right. So, but when after the angel or whosoever appeared to me and explained who is who and what is what, and when I woke up, I was then aware of my surrounding, aware of who the persons are, and but it was done in a way that I felt in my spirit that I always knew these people. So yes, guys, so that is the first time I saw an angel. The person was in white. I remember the person was in white. It was like transparent or white, but it was that sort of a thing. All right. Yes, guys, that is the first time I became aware of myself, and the first time I walked with an angel. Yes, guys, so that is when I became aware of myself. In the next episode, I'm going to talk about how I fell in love with drawing. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.